Oh, hi, I'm Simon Farmilo. I'm the Banking Partnerships Director at GFT and I cover our global banking partnerships.
I'm Deniz Tireli, Partner Sales Manager at Mambu, and I oversee partner go-to-market strategy and partner sales activities in my respective markets. So Mambu's mission is to bring composable banking to the financial services industry. We support more than 260 customers worldwide, all operating on the same code. But if you look at core migration projects, it's often perceived as very risky, very expensive. So we need to work with partners like GFT to de-risk, to ensure that the customers feel safe about these core banking transformations and migrations. With Mambu powering the core with a cloud-native composable solution and GFT coming into the picture with deep regulatory compliance expertise and technical implementation expertise, I think we are two perfect matches to the two pieces of the puzzle. And after successfully delivering many projects, now we're also working on accelerators, package solutions to scale more, and very excited about the future as well.
Definitely, and I think it was just a natural coming together over the last few years for GFT and Mambu. Like you said, with our experience, the GFT's experience in core banking delivery and all the capabilities there, and then obviously Mambu's great technology and fourth generation cloud platforms, I think it's just makes sense. And I think when we bring that to clients, like you say, de-risking, accelerating their journey onto modernisation, I think it just makes sense.
I think the first success story started in UK and Europe, and as we scaled across continents, we acquired new customers in Latam as well. We got to know each other more, and GFT got more experience in understanding Mambu, how the solution works, and we after that looked into projects and how to deliver them faster and in a compliant way.
So it's really around what is those client demands and what you said at the start, where migration is a big topic and it's quite a nervous topic for a lot of banks because you're really dealing with some very sensitive data, key data around clients, and having to migrate that from a legacy mainframe or platform onto your next fourth generation platform, which once it's done, obviously there's huge benefits, but actually migrating can be a challenge, can take time, it can be quite risky. So that's why together we went out and said, what can we co-create in this space? And that was our GFT migration solution from Mambu, which de-risks and lowers the cost and speeds up, accelerates migration projects. So I think that's a very good example of our partnership coming together around some real client demand and actually supporting banks in this space.
It was incredible that we could support a bank in the UK, a total delivery of the project in less than a year, in about 8 months.
That's right.
So we have proven to the market that it doesn't have to take years, doesn't have to cost millions. So
helping those clients hit those milestones and delivery milestones, be able to actually go live, and you realise the benefits of having Mambu as their core. Ultimately it benefits their clients, so I think that's why the partnership is working so well. Some of the other solutions that we've been created, not just the migration solution, but Bank Start, which is one of the first assets we created together, and that's really around a digital bank launcher, infrastructure as a code, artifacts that allow banks from sprint zero to really start their Mambu migration project. And so I think that's been a really good solution that we've had together and benefit a lot of banks where they're able to actually take that step into composable platforms like Mambu. And so now we're at a point where those clients are able to get live faster, they're able to go to MVP with some really great products for their clients and realise the benefits of being on Mambu.
So what's known in the market used to be monolithic, then it's moved to the modular architecture where you're not able to swap the ecosystem components. And now we're bringing the future for core banking, which is composability. So you can combine the best of breed solutions around Mambu, enable them with APIs, you can select your existing vendors, and we can really tailor the whole architecture and the journeys according to the specific business challenges you have, according to the local regulatory nuances. So this provides the customer the ultimate power and flexibility, but at the same time with the tools like ours, we can also tell them we have this packaged for you, we understand your market, and this is how we would propose you to operate. So having the best of both sizes really an advantage for customers.
Yeah. One of the things I'm really excited about is AI. I know it's a big buzzword, a lot of people talking about it, but I think really in our partnership that's a real tangible thing where on a bank side, when they're able to actually bring in Mambu, what that gives them is that enablement to actually leverage the best out of AI. So having actual real-time data as opposed to having to be bound by legacy constraints. So that's one thing, and then I think what GFT can also bring into that is speed up delivery around AI use cases and really enable clients to leverage the best out of AI in that process. So I think that's one of the trends that we're seeing in our partnership really come to life, and we're having real conversations around it, real tangible benefits I think are going to be seen, certainly in the short term. So I think from a roadmap perspective, we're going to keep co-creating solutions. I think there's a lot of, based on client demand and what we're seeing, things like fully managed services that we can actually provide to clients that would sort of suit their needs. So I think there's a lot of things that we're working on and behind the scenes, and we've already got a great history of actually bringing solutions to market that actually are benefiting clients in the fourth generation transformation space. So I think there's going to be a lot more of that to come, that's for sure.
Exactly. I think for me it's about scalability, it's about having a common understanding of what the future holds, understanding Mambu's vision, what we want to do, understanding each other's objectives, and really working on solutions and a global strategy to support each other in terms of achieving this. So with migration tool BankStart, we've proven that we are ready to also invest in solutions to help us achieve our strategic goals faster. And we just look forward to building more of these and evolving this partnership. Even further.
And it's a great thing. I think it's a global partnership in the sense of, there's many regions that we're really driving into together, and we're taking all our learnings from all our engagements across, like you say, in Europe and LATAM. We're taking all those learnings and we're able to give banks that benefit of our experience. So it's been really good. Yeah.